All right, how you doing? Jeff from RV Diagnostics. A lot of you know that by now. If not, hello, new members. Don't forget Facebook page, 33,000 member. It's called RV Diagnostics, and this is the YouTube channel RV Diagnostics. All right, here we go. We had to put in 3 sets of 6-volt batteries. All right. If you notice, it only came with 4. All right, so we just added another tray back here. Okay. The important part is we're going to do this again. Let me get some lights on this right here. Hold on. There you go. Look, there we go. We're going to light this place up, man. Okay. So we take it from the positive battery where the multimeter would go. Just 2.1. Let's just call it 2 volts. 2, 4, 6, right? So here's the negative. I'm sorry. Here's the negative. 2, 4, 6, positive. Go across. All right, there's the negative, 8, 10, 12. There's your positive. So from here to here is 12 volts. So I made new cables for this guy because they were bad. This is the one I showed you that it broke off. Like, okay. So I made my short cables. All right, if you come here, I'll help you redo yours and save you some money. But now I take black tape, put it on this end just to help people. But me, I just put it on there and move on. But so this is the positive end because it's red, and this is the black end because it's negative. All right, so I'm gonna put you on hold. All right, so the negative lead of the multimeter is on there. All right, so it's showing 0 volts. So if you want, you go negative, 2, 4, 6. Actually, it's 2.1, 4.2, 6.3, right? So here we go. 6.48, fully charged, all right? Then we follow this out. So 2, 4, 6, across the bridge. Right here, it's still 6, 8, then the next one, 10, then this one will be 12, this cell, and then I go here. There you go. Now, I'm gonna do that to all of them, right? And then what we're gonna do is branch. This is a separate set of, everywhere you see this little bridge, this is separate 12 volts. So this is a 12 volt, this is a 12 volt, this is the 12 volt. So I got to link the 12 volts together. All right, so I made some new cables, and they'll go like that from there to there. That's my parallel circuit. All right, this is series, right? Negative, 2, 4, 6, go across the bridge, 8, 10, 12 to that terminal there. And I'll make a video. Sorry about that here. I'm blinding you there. As long as I've had that, I've never figured that out. The clicks, sometimes they're different. Anyway, just a quick check here. You know, we're going to add another set of parallel batteries. This is a Tiffin Phaeton. It's got a tag axle, blah, blah, blah. There you go. So thank you very much, Jeff from RV Diagnostics. Remember the motto. Go ahead and say it. Yell it. Test, not guess. Remember, test has 1 S. All right, if you test, it only costs you that first money. Guess, G-U-E-S-S, make the S dollar signs. It has 2 times as S's, costs you twice as much money. Test, not guess. There you go. Thank you very much.